Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today I'm going to solve chapter 5 measurements worksheet 9. Let's start to solve this question. So question number 1, which is the most appropriate object to measure the weight of a watermelon? In this question, what we have to find the correct option out of these 4 options. That watermelon, how can we measure the weight of the watermelon? So watermelon is a fruit, it is heavy. To measure the heavy things, what can be used? So see the options. First option, this is weighing balance. What is this? This is weighing balance. Weighing balance. Second, this is ruler. Okay. C option, this is measuring tape. And D option, that is fingers hand. So generally the weight of heavy things we use by weighing balance. So watermelon is heavy, so that's why we can use this weighing balance to measure the weight of watermelon. Other B option, that is ruler. We can use this ruler to measure the length of items. Okay, ruler can be used for measurement of length. Measuring tape, same, it is used to measure the length of items, length or distance. And finger hand, we can use to this for the estimation. For what? In simple way we can say it can be used to estimate small length. Okay, we can't use this finger hand for the measurement of weight of watermelon. Okay, so first option is right option. Go through to next. Which one of the following is the smaller unit? These are the 4 options. We have to find smaller unit out of these options. Okay, first one is centimeter, B is meter, C is kilometer, and D is all of these. Okay, so right option is A. Centimeter is the smaller unit. Okay, meter is bigger than centimeter. Meter is bigger than centimeter. Kilometer, it is much bigger than a meter. Okay, and D is all of these. This is wrong option. So right option is A. Centimeter is smallest unit. Okay, so go through to next, third question. Convert 500 milliliters to liter. So very important question. Convert 500 milliliter to liter. Option is 0.2 liter, 0.3, 0.5 liter, 0.1 liter. First of all, you should be known about 1000 ml is equal to how much? 1 liter. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml and 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So half of 1 ml is how much? Half of 1000 ml is 500 ml. Okay, so half of 1000 ml is how much? 500 ml. Okay, so if I ask half of 1 liter is how much, then the half of 1 liter is equal to 0.5 liter. Okay, so right option is C option, 0.5 liter. So next, go through to fourth question. Interesting question. In this question, what we have to find? We have to find the distance. Okay, so read this question. Jack goes from hospital to railway station and from railway station to airport. Find the shortest distance he covers to reach his destination. Okay, so see this picture. This is figure. In this figure, we have to find the distance which is covered by the Jack. Okay, so in questions, Jack goes from hospital to railway station. So Jack goes hospital to railway station. So how much distance he has covered? So he has covered now, sorry, hospital to railway station. Hospital, one second, hospital to railway station. Hospital to railway station. How much distance he has covered? 3 kilometer. Okay, hospital to railway station, 3 kilometer. Now railway station to airport. Railway station to airport. So here, railway station to airport, how much distance he has covered? 6 kilometer. Railway to airport, 6 kilometer. So total distance covered by Jack, 6 plus 3 kilometer is equal to 9 kilometer. So right option is C, 9 kilometer. Go through to next option, next question. Question number 5. Yes, again interesting question. How much water is needed to completely fill the cylinder if it already contains 200 ml water? See this figure, this is the cylinder. Okay, so total capacity of this is 1000 ml. Total capacity of this cylinder, capacity of cylinder is 1000 ml. So 200 ml water already inside the cylinder. Here you can see, here 200. Okay, so 200 ml water already inside the cylinder. Okay, capacity of this cylinder 1000 ml. So we need how much water to fill it? We need how much water to fill it? Simple, total capacity of this, the capacity of this cylinder is 1000 ml and 200 ml water is already inside the cylinder. Okay, so 1000 ml minus 200 ml is equal to 800 ml. So this is the right answer. D option is right answer. Okay, so we need how much water to fill it? We need 800 ml water to fill it. Okay, so go through to next question. Yes, this is simple question. Which is longest of all the objects? These are the 4 options, so we have to check which one is the longest. Okay, so first is eraser, second pen, third ruler, and D option is, what is this? This is compass. Okay, it looks like, picture is not clearly here, but it looks like that. Okay, so out of these options I think C is longer. Yes, we can say C option is right because it looks like longest object out of these 3. Okay, so it's C option is right option. Okay, so C option is right option. Go through to next option. Which of the following is the best estimate to know how much a person weighs? Okay, so in this question we have to find the weight, means we have to use the unit which is appropriate to measure the weight of the person. The weight of person is heavy, you know, the weight of the people or person is heavy. So which unit we have to use? So we use generally kilogram because it's bigger unit. Okay, so this unit is used to measure the weight of people. Milligram, if we talk about milligram, this is extremely small unit. This is extremely small unit. Okay, extremely small unit, and it is used to measure for the measurement of the tiny amount, or we can say it is used for tiny amounts. Okay, used for tiny, tiny, very small. Okay, tiny means small, small, tiny amounts. Okay, so if we talk about gram, so gram we use for lighter objects. Gram, this unit is used for lighter objects. Now if we talk about decigrams, so decigram is also a small unit. It is also a small unit used for small items. So here A option is right, kilogram. Go through to next question, fill in the blank. So in this question, weight of 300 gram of oranges is dash, then 50 gram of grapes. So option is equal, smaller, greater, none of these. So right option is C option, greater, because in question is already mentioned that weight of 300 gram of oranges is dash, then 50 gram. Here 300 gram and here 50 gram. So 50 gram is smaller than 300 gram, so greater. Okay, so C option is right. So the ninth question, go through to next question, ninth. So Paris baked 6 cakes. Paris baked 6 cakes. The weight of each cake is 2 kg. What is the total weight of all the cakes? Okay, suppose these are the cakes, 6 cakes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 cake. Okay, weight of each cake is 2 kg. The weight of this 2 kg, weight of this 2 kg, weight of this cake 2 kg, weight of this cake 2 kg, weight of this 2 kg, 2 kg. Okay, so 2 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 is repeated 6 times. So 2 6 are 12. So answer is B option, 12.